Colombia, a tapestry woven with rich history, diverse landscapes, and enchanting culture. Colombia, a nation nestled in the northwest corner of South America, boasts a captivating blend of natural wonders, vibrant traditions, and a resilience that shines through its people. From the snow-capped peaks of the Andes to the sun-drenched shores of the Caribbean and Pacific coasts, Colombia's geography is a tapestry woven with dramatic contrasts. A journey through time, Colombia's historical tapestry. Colombia's history is a captivating narrative marked by indigenous civilizations, Spanish conquest, and the fight for independence. Wander the cobbled streets of Cartagena, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and get transported back to the colonial era, where Spanish architecture and vibrant plazas whisper tales of a bygone time. Delve deeper and explore the archaeological treasures like the Lost City, hidden amongst the lush greenery of the Sierra Nevada mountains, a testament to the ingenuity of ancient civilizations. A paradise for nature enthusiasts. For the adventurous soul, Colombia's landscapes offer a playground unlike any other. Trek the majestic peaks of the Andes, where glaciers carve their path through timeless mountains. The Amazon rainforest, an emerald expanse teeming with exotic wildlife, awaits those seeking a deeper connection with nature. Alternatively, unwind on the pristine beaches of the Caribbean coast, soaking in the golden rays of the sun or exploring the colorful coral reefs teeming with life. A cultural tapestry vibrant with music, food, and festivities. Colombia's cultural tapestry is a vibrant blend of indigenous, African, and European influences. Immerse yourself in the rhythmic beats of cumbia and salsa, letting the music wash over you. Savor the explosion of flavors in Colombian cuisine, where fresh ingredients are transformed into delectable dishes like bandeja paisa, a hearty platter showcasing the country's agricultural bounty. Witness the kaleidoscope of colors and infectious energy during Colombia's numerous festivals, where communities come together to celebrate life, music, and traditions. The warmth of the Colombian people. Colombia's greatest treasure lies in its people. Renowned for their warmth, hospitality, and resilience, Colombians radiate a genuine spirit that welcomes visitors with open arms. Whether you are greeted with a friendly smile or invited to share a cup of locally brewed coffee, the Colombian people leave a lasting impression. Beyond the tourist trail, unveiling Colombia's hidden gems. While the aforementioned destinations hold immense allure, Colombia offers a plethora of hidden gems waiting to be explored. Venture off the beaten path and discover the charm of colonial towns nestled in the Andes, kayak through the serene waters of the Tatacoa Desert, or delve into the rich biodiversity of national parks teeming with unique flora and fauna. Colombia's magic lies in its ability to cater to all types of travelers. Whether you seek heart-pounding adventure, cultural immersion, or simply a chance to relax and unwind amidst breathtaking scenery, Colombia promises an unforgettable experience. So, pack your bags, embrace the spirit of exploration, and embark on a journey to this captivating South American nation. Colombian peso. The currency of Colombia is the Colombian peso. It's denoted by the symbol dollar and has the ISO code COP. Currency, Colombian peso. Symbol, dollar, locally, or $, to distinguish from other pesos. ISO code, COP. Colombia also uses centavos as a subunit of the peso, though coins in centavos are no longer commonly used due to inflation. Prices might still be quoted with centavos, but transactions are rounded to the nearest peso for everyday purchases.